Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Programming Knowledge Prime. So today's topic is switch case. So let's start it. So what is the switch case? Or you can say what is the switch statement? Okay. So switch statement is used to execute a block of statements depending on the value of a variable or an expression. So I repeat this. Switch statement is used to execute a block of statements depending on the value of a variable or expression, okay, or an expression. So if you see, I can write a simple switch case program. So it is also called a switch. It is a switch case program. Okay. So after that, after the definition, I can tell you what is some important points or what is some restrictions to use the switch case. So you can notice here option. So inside this parenthesis or switch expression, it is called expression or a value. So I can write inside a option. Okay. So a expression and the expression, or you can say the option. Here is I can write option because my data type, my variable name is option. So if you write expression, okay. So switch, inside the switch, okay. So what the expression or the option, because here I can take a variable, a integer data type. So refers an integer or a character data type. It means that whatever the switch only allows only the integer data type and the character data type variable or expressions. Okay. So switch only refers or switch only allow integer or character data type variable or expression. Okay. So switch case only allow the integer or character expression or variable. So so uh, you can write it is the opening brace of the switch case and it is the closing brace. If you does not write the opening brace and the closing brace, or the braces can be omitted when, so there is only one statement available in the statement block. I can repeat this. The braces can be omitted when there is only one statement available in the statement block. Okay. So inside these braces you can write whatever the cases. Okay. So there is no restriction. There is no restriction that only 7 case is allowed or only 5 case is allowed. No, no. You can write the infinite case. It is your hand, or it is your responsibility, or it is in your hand. Okay. So the another thing is, when this statement is executed, the computer checks, or you can say the compiler, the underlying compiler checks the value of the expression or variable. If the value matches with any one of the label given in the case, or you can say any one of the case. Suppose here I can take the option is a variable name. It is a variable name. It is the it is the data type. Okay. The data type of that variable, and it will assign a value, that 2. So here if I pass the 2 value, okay, if I pass the 2 value, so it will check, so which case is the 2 value. Here the case 2, here the case 2 2. So it will match when the given case is matched to the variable value. So then this particular case statements or case statement block will be executed. Okay, so I can repeat, if the value matches with the variable value match with any of the level given in the case value, okay, so then this statement block will be executed. If the value matches with any one of the levels given in case value, then that statement block will be executed. This particular case block statement block will be executed. Okay, so after that you can see in the case 1 I can write break statement. It means that it will help you, the break statement will help you to transfer the control, or you can say to come out that particular loop, because it is required. In the case statement, the break statement is required to execute it or to printing the particular case. If you does not write the break statement, okay, if you does not write the break statement, so it will be printing whatever the case below this matching case, all the cases will printing one by one if you does not write the break statement. Okay, here you can see after the case 2, here the case 2 is matched with the variable value. So here we'll printing the printf2 and the printf backslash n. Okay, so after printing the backslash n, the next line, the case 3 is also printed, and after the case 3 the default is also printed. After printing the default case, here the compiler, underlying compiler, will see the break statement. When the compiler will see the break statement, immediately it will come out of this particular loop, of, you can say, the particular block, statement block, another switch statement. Okay, so break statement is important to execute a particular case. Okay, so break statement is used to transfer the control to the end of the switch statement. Okay, so the default block, you can see here I can write the default block. The default block is optional, and the default block is optional. This may you omitted while writing your program. The default block is optional. You also omitted, or you may be omitted while writing a program, but the default block is executed when of the case levels matches with the when the none of the case levels matches with the value of the expression or variable. Okay, so the default block is executed. The default block is executed when none of the case levels matches with the values of the expression. The default block is executed when none of the case blocks, or when none of the case levels matches none of the case levels matches with the value of the expression or variable. Suppose here I can inside the expression I can give the 4 value. The case 4 is not present in this particular program, so here the default case will be printing. Okay, so default case is when none over the case labels which matches with the value, when none of the case labels matches with the matching matches with the value of the expression or variable. Okay, variable. So it is the case statement, and the case statement is much faster than the if else block, nested if else block. So I hope you understand this session or topic. So please subscribe my channel, so it will motivated me to make more videos about these topics, about the C programming. So thank you. Please subscribe me, and comment in the, and please anyone doubts in your regarding this topic, so please comment me, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.